In modern warfare, the battlefield is no longer defined only by tanks, artillery, and fighter jets. Increasingly, the future of combat is being shaped by small, agile, and highly capable unmanned aerial systems, better known as drones. Across the world, militaries are investing heavily in drone technology, recognizing that the next generation of warfare will depend as much on digital skill and piloting precision as it does on traditional firepower. And for the Philippine Army, a recent international competition demonstrated that Filipino operators are quickly rising to meet this challenge. On March 14 in Sydney, Australia, a Filipino soldier achieved a remarkable milestone in the world of military drone operations. Reservist Private First Class Froilan, known in the competition by the codename RezFVP, finished 11th overall out of 76 international drone operators during the final round of the Military International Drone Racing Tournament AS26. Held as part of the celebrations marking the Australian Army's 125th founding anniversary, the tournament brought together highly skilled military drone pilots from different countries, showcasing the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern military operations. At first glance, drone racing might look like a high-tech sport, but for modern armed forces, these competitions serve a much deeper purpose. They test the same skills that drone operators rely on in real combat scenarios: split-second decision-making, precision maneuvering, spatial awareness, and tactical agility. In the competition, operators flew first-person view or FPV drones using specialized goggles that transmit live video directly from the drone's onboard camera. This immersive perspective allows pilots to control their drones as if they were inside the aircraft themselves. FPV drone racing pushes pilots to their absolute limits. Drones fly at extremely high speeds through complex obstacle courses, demanding exceptional reflexes and control. One mistake, one slight miscalculation, and the drone crashes. But these same skills translate directly into military applications. Today's combat environments increasingly rely on small drones capable of conducting reconnaissance, delivering precision strikes, or guiding artillery fire. In conflicts around the world, FPV drones have demonstrated their ability to change the tactical landscape, offering low-cost yet highly effective capabilities to armed forces. For the Philippine Army, participating in this international tournament was about more than just competition. It was about strengthening the country's growing expertise in unmanned aerial systems. The 5-member Philippine Army delegation included 1 officer, 2 enlisted personnel, and 2 reservists, reflecting a deliberate strategy, integrating drone capability not only within the regular military, but also within the reserve force. This approach ensures that the country maintains a wider pool of trained drone operators who can be mobilized during national emergencies, disaster response missions, or potential security threats. For the Philippine Army, building competence in drone operations means investing not only in equipment, but also in the people who operate them. Events like the Military International Drone Racing Tournament allow soldiers to test their abilities in highly demanding environments, learning new techniques and gaining valuable experience from international counterparts. Competitions encourage innovation, sharpen piloting skills, and foster collaboration between allied forces. Looking ahead, the Philippine Army plans to further expand its unmanned aerial systems capabilities. Training programs continue to evolve, incorporating lessons learned from global conflicts and technological developments. By investing in both regular forces and reservists, the Army aims to build a flexible, highly capable drone workforce ready to respond to future operational requirements. The rise of drones represents one of the most significant transformations in military technology in decades. From surveillance to battlefield support, unmanned systems are becoming an indispensable part of modern armed forces. And for the Philippines, developing expertise in this field is not just about keeping up with global trends. It is about ensuring national security in an increasingly complex strategic environment. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.